We start with 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. As we mentioned, if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy, and exactly this is what we get. Anyway, whoever get the trade either within this move or having entry above the stop, and especially those traders, they get it by having entry above this. When they see this kind of the movement, they shouldn't be in the trade. And whoever get the trade from here, they should move their stop loss to break even. Anyway, this alliance is not valid because we mentioned about the different possibility. And right now, we mentioned if we want to look for buy, we were looking for 30.1. Anyway, the price haven't tagged yet, and the only thing is, if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence, and mostly we can expect this one to give us one more drop similar to what we get here. That means if we get a flat, we can look for one move up. This is what we're looking for before we look for buy. That means we can expect this one drop some more. Anyway, if we move to daily chart, we want to see what we have based on daily chart. And as we mentioned, if we refer to our analyzer, we have been looking for the reversal, and this is what we get. Now the question is whether we can get the correction for continuation or not, and how we can look for trade. By the way, if we move to forward chart, the price almost tagged the previous stop. Okay, that's why if we wants to look for buy, but it haven't break yet. That's why if we wants to look for buy, we need to have a proper trade setup. We need to see the breakout of this and continuation. If not, we should not make this one turn to a bigger flat or correction. Anyway, we don't have any confirmation for this one turn to flat. That means still we can look for buy. But how we can look for trade? If I move to 1 hour chart, let the price drop some more. If we get this one as a flat, we confirm as a flat, then any reversal we can look for buy as a short term. We should now be buying at the top of this flat. And technically, we should look for sell. That means if we see there is a continuation with the flag, even if we get the any sell for any trade setup for sell, we can look for short term sell. Because if this is a flat, if we get any sell in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us a really good trade setup. That's why buying at the top is not really a good idea. And whoever get the trade within this move, they should book the profit if they want to keep the trade. Okay, since we have a divergence, no, we want to see whether we should look for this one as a flat for one move up, or this is the start of the down move. Right now, we cannot confirm. If there is a continuation with the sharp move, it give us a correction or trade setup for sale. We will take the trade. And with the breakout of this low, we start to manage. Okay. The only times we can look for buy if this one drop as a corrective, we see the flat, then any reversal from there we can look for buy. That means right now we have the both possibility, either buy or sell. But technically, if we get a sell in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us better trade setup. That's why if we want to look for buy, let the price drop. Then if we see the reversal, we can look for buy. But for sell, any sell setup, we can take it and we consider as a short term. For the long term, why we cannot expect maybe the sell is not the long term and cannot retest the previous low, because based on forward chart, we don't have any uh, information for the reversal. That's why we can expect the price to go as a flat, running for one move up. Then me after that, based on forward chart, also we can look for divergence. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is still we can look for buy by the short term. And the only thing is we're looking for this correction. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. And those traders, they get the trade with, they keep the trade within this move. They should book some profit. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.